Did you know your fridge can now think smarter than you? Some modern refrigerators can actually track your food, warn you before it expires, and even suggest recipes based on what's inside. These smart fridges use built-in cameras and sensors to identify what you've stored. Some even let you scan barcodes as you add groceries. They automatically record expiration dates and send alerts when food is about to spoil. And that's not all. Your fridge can suggest recipes with ingredients you already have, automatically add missing items to your shopping list, and even let you check what's inside while you're shopping, right from your phone. So next time you forget what's in your fridge, just ask your fridge itself. Smart technology is making kitchens smarter than ever, and saving food, time, and money too.